Any parts of Korean language has casual and polite form of speaking, and so is greetings and salutations as well. So today I'm going to teach you both casual and polite form of saying hi and bye in Korean. If you're not familiar with this level of speech concept, please watch my other video on level of speech. I'll put the link underneath. Please click on that and it's going to help you much better in understanding this. So first, hello in casual form is 안녕. 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 The word literally means well. And this is one good one to know because 안녕 can also mean bye. And in Korea, there isn't different greetings depending on the time of the day. So you can say 안녕 for morning. You can say 안녕 for afternoon or evening or any other time of the day. And this in polite form is 안녕하세요. You see how you added 하세요 at the end of 안녕 to change it into polite form? So there is a little pattern to this. And once you understand this pattern, it's going to be much easier. 안녕하세요. 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 Like that. So again, it's 안녕 and 안녕하세요. Nice to meet you in casual form is 반가워. 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 In polite form, you just add you at the end. It becomes 반가워요. 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 So again, it's 반가워. 반가워요. Bye. This one is a bit tricky one. So there is different word for depending on whether the person you're speaking to is leaving or staying. So let's see the leaving situation first. For example, it's like when you invited your friend over to your house and that friend is leaving. Then in this case, you would say in casual form, 잘 가. 잘 가. 잘 가. 잘 literally means well, and go is 가. So it literally means go well. It's like farewell. Just remember that 가 is similar to 고 in English, so you can memorize it that way. In polite form, this changes to 안녕히 가세요. 안녕히 가세요. 안녕히 가세요. 안녕히 가세요. You see how there is 안녕 here again? And you can also see 가. And at the end, there is 세요, which is similar to 안녕하세요. You see a little bit of pattern there? Again, 잘 가 and 안녕히 가세요. Now this time, it's the opposite situation. This time, your friend invited you over and you are the one leaving. So your friend is staying. You will say 잘 있어. 잘 있어. 잘 있어. 잘 있어. 있어 here means stay. So this 잘 있어 literally means stay well. In polite form, you say 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요. 안녕히 계세요. It's very similar to the previous one, but that one was 가세요. This one is 계세요. So if this is confusing, just remember that 가 means go. So you would say 가세요 to the person going away. And to the person staying, you would say 안녕히 계세요. So again, 잘 있어 and 안녕히 계세요. Good night casually is 잘 자. 잘 자. 잘 자. 잘 자. Politely, you just add 요 at the end. 잘 자요. 잘 자요. 잘 자요. 잘 자요. Again, 잘 자 and 잘 자요.